Kash here. This is the LANBENA. This is a hair growth SNL. Remember I did the review for the Andrea hair growth SNL about a year ago. That's a great product. By the way, if you following my channel for a long time and if you're using that Andrea, I would definitely recommend to continue it because that really helps you regrow your hair. And I still have few bottles left that I still using it. But this one I recently got it. The reason I like this one because this has 8 different ingredients in it, all natural ingredients, and this one has a ginger extract, ginseng extract, rosemary oil, grapeseed oil. So there's 8 different ingredients in it that all natural, that really helps you. And this is how it's going to look like. The bottle is not that big. Some people always ask me, can I use this directly to your hair? I wouldn't recommend that because this is how it's going to look like when you get it. You open, there's a small cap right here that you open it, and they're telling you the Andrea is similar to it, but this one tells you to use it like 3 drop. You use 3 drop, just take 3 drop, pour into your regular shampoo. Like any shampoo that wherever you are, if you like your shampoo, you don't want to change your shampoo, and then just get this and just drop 3 drop in it. If you have a 10-ounce shampoo or 100 ml shampoo, you put 3 drop in it. If you have a 20-ounce shampoo or 200 ml shampoo, you put 4 drop in it. So this small bottle gonna last you for a long time. Like it could last you more than 6 months, and it's very cheap. The reason you're gonna use this in your shampoo and shake it very well, and then when you shake it very well, you mix it up really good. Just 3 drop or 100 ml or 10-ounce shampoo. So you get the point how much you need it exactly. So what it does is helps you wherever you're thinning out hair, slow thinning really thin hair, it helps you to regrow it really fast. So that really helps you. But like some people tells me about what kind of shampoo to use, you could go all my hair growth channel playlist. There's some great natural shampoo. You could get it like ginger shampoo, biotin shampoo. There is some great shampoo like natural, all natural, because the shampoo is very important what kind of shampoo you're using. If you're using a lot of harsh chemical shampoo, is probably not good for you in the long run. So if you're using some kind of like natural ginger extract or something like this, or Andrea or something like this, then you're using really harsh chemical shampoo, then definitely it's not good. But this is definitely a good product to use it in it. But if you're thinking about using this just as it is, if wherever your hair situation is really bad, thinning out, you just get a little bit, because it's a small bottle. You have to put it exactly where you need it, a little bit, like 1 drop, and gently massage it, and it doesn't smell anything. And you could do that. That definitely gonna help you. But then you have to get at least 2 bottles of these because this is a very small bottle. I use it in a shampoo, just 3 drop for like 10-ounce shampoo, so that lasts me for a long time. But if you're gonna use it directly to your hair, then definitely get at least 2 bottles. It's cheap. I get the link in the description box. You could check it out. But if you're thinking about, do you get the Andrea or do you get this, if you continue using the Andrea for a long time, just finish it up, then I would recommend just use this one, because this one is so many different ingredients in it, all natural. So that might be help you more faster, rapid regrowth. Again, if your hair situation, like if you only lost like 10% of your hair, there is some ginger like serum and lotion, like there's some products in my playlist. You could check it out. Or if you definitely check it out, my channel, it's gonna be really helpful to you. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.